what you have right now may be good, maybe okay, but once you see this video, you're not going to look back. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, as per request of you all, I have decided to do my jewelry collection and favorites and all of that. This is all going to be in that video, so you guys are going to see my necklaces, my earrings, my favorite pieces, and I'm also going to tell you the tea on where to get them from, because honey, you are not going to ever look back, okay? So if you're interested in seeing the things that I have and learning where I get my jewelry from, then just keep watching. So first of all, I already know you guys are going to ask me about this look. If you want to see this look, go to my Instagram. I have an IGTV up showing everything that I did to get this beautiful look. I feel so cute. Like, ooh. I haven't played with color in a while. Because you guys know, you always see me in some soft glams and like golds and stuff. So I thought I'd switch it up for time being. But definitely go check my Instagram out. If you don't follow me, I will leave it somewhere here, and I'll also leave it in the description box below. I'll leave a link so you guys can easily get there. So basically, most of my jewelry is from 2 to 3/4 places. I'm slowly like discovering new boutiques and brands, but these are like my staples. Like, this is the places that I go to all the time when it comes for jewelry. And let me show you guys how I store my jewelry. So I keep this, as you can see, this is the side where my earrings are, and these are the side where my necklaces are. This is most of my jewelry. I have like watches and other stuff, but that's stored somewhere else. But this thing is so clutch. I'm gonna try to find the link and link it down below. I got it from Amazon. It was like, I wanna say it was like between $10 to $15 for this big thing. And as you can see, well, clearly I filled up the earring side, but the necklace side still has to be filled up. But I still have a couple good amount up here. So this top earrings, I'm gonna go through row by row. So these top ones, like these, I got these, like my grandma brought them back home from Kenya, so I didn't want to, like, I don't wear them like that, but I always keep them because I never know when I'm trying to switch up the look, you know, go for a little African traditional vibe or something. So I always keep those just in case I want to use them. These first ones are some of my favorite ones. These, I think I've worn them a couple times on this channel. They look like this. It's like a gold shape of Africa. My best friend Angela got these for me because I used to always steal hers. I'm gonna have to switch hands and sides because baby, this is hurting. Whew, okay, the third row is these earrings that I have had for years. They look like this. They're like the little toss earrings. I think I got these from, it was either Forever 21 or H&M. I've had these for a long time. I have a pair of cream ones as well as navy blue. And I also have these black ones that look like this. This is really cute. I think I got these from H&M too. And when we go to the fourth row, let's see. So these I got from IrieMiCollection. They look like this. I don't know if you guys can see them. It's just a little cute hoop. Looks like that. IrieMiCollection is hands down my favorite jewelry place. Like, they are amazing. If you're gonna realize, a lot of my pieces are from them. I love their quality. I always get their gold filled items, and when a product is gold filled, it's better than it being gold plated, because gold filled, it has more gold in it. It's not just coated with gold, it actually has gold in it, so it lasts a lot longer than gold plated. But if you cannot get gold filled, because it is a little bit more expensive, then you obviously should go down to gold plated, because gold plated is still better than nothing, if that makes sense. But I've gotten to a place where I like buying jewelry that I know is quality and is gonna last. Obviously, I don't have money to be buying full 100% real gold items, but this will do for now because I love all my jewelry and I shower with them and I swim with them. I do everything with them and they do not tarnish. So that is why I'm telling you guys, this video is gonna change your life, especially if you love some jewelry. Whew, you're gonna be in love. These I got from Target. They're these little cute, like, I don't even know what to call this. Like, it's like a little, I don't know. You'll realize I love hoops. Hoops, I can have a million hoops and still not be satisfied. I don't know why, I don't know how, but I just never can stop buying hoops. So we've got a bunch of other pieces. I'm gonna pick out some of my favorite pieces. I love these. These are beautiful, beautiful gold hoops. These are from IrieMiCollection as well. I think these were 30 bucks. They are heavy. When I say they're not heavy like in a bad way, but quality, like they are heavy. This is not like something that feels cheap. They are gold filled, so they last a really, really long time. They do not tarnish. And like I said, they were 30 bucks in IrieMiCollection. I'm gonna make sure I link them down below, and I'm gonna try to find the exact links for the specific items that I mentioned, because I think most of them are still on there. So if you guys want to check it out, you can go see. But they always have sales going on. They always have like 25% off, 30, 40 sometimes if we're lucky. So what you see the price is, most of the time you're gonna be able to find a coupon code, or they'll have a coupon code that will knock at least 20 to 25% off. So that's even better, and that's all the time. That's not just like sometimes. So that's also why I love them. So I really love these for everyday hoop. Some other favorites of mine. Oh, I love these hoops right here. You guys have seen me wear these. They're very dainty and feminine and pretty. They look like this. These are from shop XIXI, which you guys saw that I mentioned in one of my hauls by the brand by Adrian Houghton. I love, love, love XIXI. They are amazing. Quality is great. Her jewelry is not gold filled, but it is coated with gold. But I can stand for a lot of her jewelry. I do have, and I really like it. I actually have some of her pieces on today. This necklace right here is by her, as well as this one right here, which you guys saw. I showed you guys in a past video. I love, love, love her stuff. She has really, really cute collections. And I like supporting people, you know, especially if I like the person, like why not support them? Ooh, these I actually got from Forever 21. I got these every time I think of these, I love these. I love these earrings so much. I got these because I wanted to wear them for my last year when I went on a trip to overseas. I went to Paris, London, and Monaco, and that was the best trip ever in my life. Like, I was so excited. But every time I look at these, it reminds me of them because I wore these the day that I first saw the Eiffel Tower, and y'all, my heart was whole. But I actually got these from Forever 21. Aren't they so cute? Like, they're such a vibe. Like, it's so different. I love the little coin in the middle. I don't mind getting jewelry from like Forever 21 or like places like that, but you'll realize like I get stuff that's more like either like, I don't get things that are fully like gold or something because I know it's not gonna last long. So I'll get stuff that's like stuff like these, like tassels and earrings that aren't a material that I know will easily tarnish. I really like these. These ones right here, they look hammered, super, super cute. They're like about a medium-ish kind of size, I would say. I got these from, I wanna say they're from IrieMe. Are they from IrieMe? Yes, I think I got these from IrieMiCollection, and I believe they still have them on their site, so I'm gonna link it down below. But I love these. They're very different. I love the hammered look to them. It adds a lot of character and detail to the earring. And now we're gonna move over to my favorite side, which is all about the necklaces, honey, okay? So when it comes to necklaces, this top row, these are actually stuff I have like from Forever 21, H&M, like stuff like that, and they're still pretty, like I've had these for years. I don't wear them that much, but they're still really good quality, so I definitely recommend. So I would say if you want to go to a store that's like at the mall, I really recommend Forever 21. Actually, I recommend H&M and definitely Express. Express has some really nice pieces that I feel like are decent quality for, you know, shopping at a mall or something. This is one of my other favorite necklaces. This is from XIXI. It looks like this. This is part of her It Is Written collection. If you can see, oh, it is so pretty. And it actually says on there Psalms 139. So if you guys know, her written collection is all about Bible verses and things that mean a lot to her. So she makes jewelry to show that. So this is one of my favorite necklaces. It is so pretty and dainty, but it's just so cute. I love it. Another favorite of mine is two of them. Actually, I'm wearing these are also all my favorites, especially this new one I just added to my collection. This one, this dainty little one, it is perfect to wear every day, and you can stack it like you see I'm doing now. You can do so much with it. I also love this little one from XIXI. It has my initial on it, so you can actually get this personalized. It's called the initial necklace. I'm gonna link it down below. So she has letters for obviously every single letter. Some I don't know if some are sold out. I know the L for me was sold out and I had to wait for her to restock it, but she does have them. You can personalize it, get whatever letter you like, and I love it. It's so cute. And then this one is actually from IrieMiCollection. It's a cross and a little pendant. I really like that one too. And I think my last favorite necklace, I would say, is this one. Actually, I have two. This one my dad got for me for Christmas last year, and I was telling him, he knows I like jewelry, and I was like, I've always wanted a name with like a necklace with my name on it. Like, you know those necklaces that have your name written out, but if you want like a real gold one, those are so expensive. So he got this, instead of getting my name carved out, like he just got my name in the little bar, and I still love it. This is so pretty. I think he got this from Things to Remember. I don't know if you guys know that store. They have it at the mall, and they also have it at other places, but that's where he got it from. And I really like it. It's so cute, and it has like my birthstone on it. So I love that necklace. And then also my last Ride or Die necklace. This was actually one of the first purchases I made from IrieMiCollection. I discovered that brand about, I wanna say, last year, last March, I want to say, when the spring I discovered them. And this was one of the first things I bought, was this simple cross necklace, and this is a gold filled necklace and a gold filled pendant. It's, as you can see, it is still in amazing quality. The necklace is not tarnishing. Nothing is tarnishing. I have showered with this numerous times. I have sweat in this. I've done so much, and it is still in amazing shape. And that is why I rave about these brands so much. I am not getting paid to work with them. I wish one day we will get there, but I'm telling you guys, I really love these brands. And that's pretty much most of my jewelry. I keep it all in here. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I have in my collection and some of my favorite pieces. I hope I wasn't going through them too fast. I was trying to slow down a little bit, but there's also a lot that I have, so I didn't want to make you sit here for forever in a day. But I'm gonna make sure I try to look up as much as I can and try to link everything down below that I showed you guys. I do know that most of these pieces that I do have are still on the website, so I definitely recommend for you guys to check it out. If you are a lover of jewelry and accessorizing and all of that, you will not be disappointed by the things that I showed you guys. I promise you, you're gonna love it. Quality is 100% great, long lasting, very beautiful, and it's not hard on your wallets. Like, all of this stuff is very affordable. If you want to start getting more good quality jewelry and you don't know where to start, this is a great place to start, because I was in that boat. I really wanted to get that nice expensive stuff, but I'm like, I don't have that kind of money, so what am I gonna do? So I shopped around and I found these brands, and I'm so happy that I did. I really genuinely love them, and I hope that you guys check them out, and I promise you that you guys will not be disappointed. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down and let me know if there's any other brands that you guys know of that I should check out, if there's any certain pieces that you like or that you loved or that you may own. I know some people already have some of these things, so let me know. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.